Okay, so we have the Tiger's truck stop in Louisiana, Grosse. I don't know why it's called Grosse, but big turkey wing chicken and the curly wedges. I don't know the name of them, but they're so delicious. So we are definitely about to try, which on camera, okay? Mm, mm, mm. Let's see, can we get a thumbnail? I finally done figured it out. I kept saying a snapshot. Thumbnail. Okay, so we got a thumbnail of the turkey wing, and let's talk about it. You know what? You know how you like pork rinds and pork crackling? The thick fat and skin tastes like a crackling with that grease. Mm, mm, mm. All this piece right here is crackling. Tastes so good. They're not overly seasoned. The French fries. Mm, mm, mm. That's the crackling of the turkey. I usually stop on exit 92 and get chicken crackers. They sell fried chicken skin. This is delicious. There's no way. Uh-oh. There's no way to actually eat it. I'm either gonna bite it or pull it. The French fries are more seasoned than the turkey, so it's up to you to figure out how you're gonna do it. Damn. Them French fries, some serious. Got the hot sauce. I will be uploading this video on my trucking channel. And the turkey be cooked all the way through. They deep fry. Look at that hot sauce went up my nose. The vinegar, like the fumes. Oh shit. You gotta be careful too, because the turkey bone is not forgiving. You do not want to bite that. Get a little vein out there. This is like the work room. But it's good though. Sometimes they sell the turkey drumstick. This hot sauce is good. It's a good quality hot sauce, a lot of vinegar, not much spice, pretty color. I need something to cut this because if I pull it real hard, it's gonna fly everything around. I remember when the Tiger truck stop was a little bitty building. And the Tiger was there. Yeah. This is so delicious. Enough for fun. I'm so I'm full already. And they're good to eat cold too. I mean, like room temperature. Oh, there we go. Ah. Oh, that'd be good. I'm not too into the vein. Hold on. And that fat in that wing. That's good. All you need is one of these. That's some French fries. They got gumbo, but I don't want no pork. I feel like there's more than one way to skin a cat. Everything don't need pork in it. So there we have it. I didn't even put the ketchup on the French fries. Look at my shirt. I didn't even put the ketchup on the French fries. They that good. But they so thick, you might want some ketchup. They so thick. And the gelatin on turkey is very sticky, like coagulant, like cookie. Wash your hands. Alcohol was cutting it, y'all. That alcohol was like cutting it with the glue. Oh, now I know chicory. Chicory got purple blossoms on it up there in Connecticut. But peep that. Dr. Saban talked about chicory. This is Cafe du Monde Coffee and Chicory. Cafe du Monde Coffee and Chicory. Ingredients, coffee and chicory. Now that I know that you can put chicory with coffee and it's a nice blend, I bought two. It was on the $8 can. Of course, I'm going to take one to my mother. Ooh, excuse me. So when I go home, I'm gonna go plant me some chicory. Since it's a good alternatives for coffee, just like dandelion root. But if you have some superb dandelion root, it's not mild, it's bitter. Like if you get dandelions from California in the desert, that stuff is astringent, it's bitter, just like yellow dog root. But now they talking about dandelion coffee substitute, That's farm raised. When you get some real good dandelion, it's bitter. Dried out or not, the root dried out or not, it's bitter. But then we have it. Hope you enjoyed me eating the turkey wing at the Tiger truck stop. I don't know why I kept saying Tiger stop, but anyway. I come here all day. I just ain't been out this way in a minute, okay? So there we have it.